Let's go!
Yeah. Excited, Megan?
Yes, I can't wait. I'm so excited. Come on, let's go.
I'm on top of the world, now I'm living, and the good just gets better, keeps on giving. Not even close to the end, it's just beginning. Life is getting lighter while the days are getting brighter, yeah. And if it's good, I won't even worry anymore. Took all my cares, took and kicked them all out the door. Go on and try, come and tell me what you're waiting for. Move, keep on going till your life is overflowing, yeah. I do a dance of victory, cause now I'm living good. No, I'm not living like I used to be. No, talk about things, talk about my mind.
I'm just thankful that we're not walking all the way up here. If we were, I think I'd have to give up with this challenge. Hello everybody, I'm Megan and you're watching Mad as Megan here on Buzzin TV. Today we have taken a ride out into Rayong. We are here at the Canopy Adventures in Khao Yai Da. It is a very, very beautiful rainforest, and today we are going to be swinging from treetop to treetop above these beautiful rainforests on a cable ride. That is my challenge today. I have just had a ride up here into the middle of this rainforest, and I must say it was the scariest ride I have ever had in my life. I was actually wondering if I was going to make it up here alive, but I'm here and I'm ready to go for on my adventure. So come on, let's do it. Here we are in this beautiful rainforest. I'm now here with Rachel from Cable Rides. Rachel, can you please introduce yourself?
Sure, yeah, my name is Rachel Arnath. I'm working with Cable Rides. I'm the Educational and Team Building Programs Coordinator here.
Well, it sounds like lots of fun. It's my first ever time trying out anything like this before. What is Cable Rides and what exactly do you do here?
Right, so we are an adventure company. We like to provide high quality adventures through the rainforest here in the beautiful Khao Yai Da. So yeah, we have 17 cable rides that go over 3,000 meters through the rainforest. And yeah, we provide transportation from Pattaya to our site down here in Rayong. We provide full safety training and equipment. We do kind of an eco tour through the rainforest and the canopy tour itself, and then we bring you back down for a home-cooked meal and transportation back to Pattaya.
What kind of things can you expect to see during a cable ride? I know the trip up here was already crazy enough for me and I haven't even started it yet.
Yeah, sure. So it starts with kind of a 4x4 trek. Right now during the rainy season we've got a beautiful waterfall that we love to show and share with our guests. Yeah, just this beautiful old growth rainforest that'll be all around you. See some wildlife and butterflies. We make too much noise for the monkeys, they won't come too close, but yeah, just the beauty around us, whole lot of nature.
Yeah, it's nice to see that we actually have this nature not too far from Pattaya, you know, the hustle and bustle of Pattaya city, and I heard this is the longest cable ride in Asia.
Yes, that is correct. We are proud of that fact, and yeah, we have a whole lot of fun here, and we're excited to share it with people.
I heard you also work with the schools with a training program. Can you tell me a bit more about that?
Yeah, yep, we're starting a new program called Cable Rides Academy, which is an experiential learning program to bring students out of the classroom and down here to the rainforest, really learn about the trees, the soil, the ecosystems that we have here. We're really excited to get that program going and invite students out to come give it a try.
Yes, well, it sounds very exciting. I remember my school days. I was sat in a classroom bored out of my mind, but it's fabulous that we have this here in Pattaya. Where exactly are you located if the viewers would like to come down here and check it out for themselves, and can they find more information online?
Yeah, yep, we do have a website, cablerides.com. You can find some information there, and we're located just an hour from Pattaya. kind of southeast in Rayong, or we're just 15 minutes from Ban Pay, which is the pier to Koh Samet.
But like you said earlier, you can provide transportation for anybody who would like to come along.
Yes, yep, we provide transportation to and from Pattaya.
Right. Well, it sounds fantastic. I think I'm ready for my challenge today. After that ride up here, I'm feeling a little bit nervous, so please take care of me,
All
Rachel.
right, we'll take
Thank
care
you
of
very
you.
much. Let's go. Yeah.
Yeah, 1, 2, go.
I'm on top of the world, now I'm living. And the good shit gets better, keeps you giving. Not even close to the end, it's just beginning. Life is getting lighter while the days are getting brighter, yeah. And then tonight I won't need more anymore. Took all my cares, took and kicked them all out the door. Don't wanna try, come and tell me what you're waiting for. You go and tell your life is over, go and yeah. I do a dance, of victory. 'Cause now I'm
This is
living good, no, I'm not
such
living like I used
an
to be. Talk about things,
experience
talk about
like
my
I've
mind. Now
never ever had in my life. It's amazing. Yes, stay away. I don't want to fall off. Just don't jump up and down. Oh, don't look down. I can look down. I can't look down. Come down and check it out for yourselves, and I guarantee you'll have a fabulous day. And remember to tune in tomorrow to see what other exciting challenges we've got coming up here on Mad as Megan on Buzzin TV. Come on guys. Yay!